Hi Michigan. So this video, I had received a comment from David, and I was going to respond in the comments, but my response would be very, very confusing and very lengthy. So I decided to put together this video to answer his question. So before we start with this, keep in mind, I have not tested this theory out, what I'm about to go into detail about. So keep that in mind as we go through the video. So David's question is, he had gotten a hit by adding and subtracting a couple things based on my original Michigan video for the testing Pick3 Pi method theory, and he wanted to know how, so what does he do now? Like, what number should he go from? So initially with these states, the original intention was that you would use the number for a week and then you would switch out the number the next week from whatever day we figured out was the day hitting. So in this example, Sundays are the days that Michigan likes. So usually what you would do, so in the video, I think it was February 11th or 13th, I can't remember which one, but it was that number we were using, so it was 002 from about a month ago. So what you would normally do is you would take the next number, the Sunday number, and then get your new numbers for the week that way. There's another commenter also who, his name is Walter, and we think that Michigan might be a slower moving state. Again, I cannot emphasize enough here that I have not done the back testing yet to confirm that. So just to answer, so to kind of give you guys an example of why I think that Michigan might be a slower moving state, is, so these are the potential numbers I'm about to show you that hit very recently from a month ago from the video, from the testing Pick3 Pi method video for Michigan. So you can double check this on your own too, but the number was 243. That number hit on March 7th. That was a straight hit, and then on 194 hit on March 4th as a box hit, and then he had 847 also hit, and 946 hit also box. So this is one reason why I'm thinking that Michigan might be a slower moving state. And again, I have not tested that yet, but when we do back test it, and if we can confirm that, what you would do, so you would take the following Sunday, which was February 18th, the number that fell was 462. So here's going to be a few examples on what you would go about calculating out the numbers to use. So you can follow along with the example. You're going to go to 5 minutes and 58 seconds in my testing Pick3 Pi method video for Michigan. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I would do. So, but for Michigan, again, if we can prove that it's a slower moving state, you're gonna want to alter the 7 days to 30 to 45 days. Sorry guys, my paper's not wanting to turn. Alright. Okay, so you're gonna mirror the 462 to 917. So you're gonna take 917, minus 314. So 9 minus 3 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. And then 7 minus 4 is 3. So all the numbers potentially in the next 30 to 45 days are circled, but I will give a brief summary too at the very end here. So you're going to take 603, you're going to subtract off 159, so 6 minus 1 is 5, 10 minus 5 is 5, and then 13 minus 9 is 4, so 554. And then you're going to take 462, you're going to add 314, so 4 plus 3 is 7, 6 plus 1 is 7, and then 2 plus 4 is 6, so 776. And then you're going to take 462, you're going to subtract off 314, so 4 minus 3 is 1, 6 minus 1 is 5, and then 12 minus 4 is 8. And then you're going to take 158 plus 159, so 1 plus 1 is 2, 5 plus 5 is 10, keep the 0, and then 8 plus 9 is 7, or 17, keep the 7. And you're going to also take 158 minus 159, so 1 minus 1 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, and then 18 minus 9 is 9. So the numbers that you might want to play in the next 7 days, if we can confirm that Michigan is a slower moving state, the numbers you'd want to play for the next 30 to 45 days is 207, 009, 776, 554, and then 603, and then 158. So if I can prove this theory, I don't have time right now to do it, but give me about, I'd say, let's say like mid-April. So if I can prove that, I would, it's such a long time to play all 6 of these, so I really like 207, and I really like 158 and 776, so, and oh my goodness. I like all 6 of these numbers actually, so I don't know. I would just play probably 1 or 2 if it was me. So that's pretty much it, everyone. I hope that answered your question. I just figured that in my response it would be very, very lengthy, but that's that's an example on how I would go about using these numbers. And before the 30 to 45 days, I think that, so you can always, it might also, the numbers, they might go up 1 or 2 or down 1 or 2. So for an example, 603 might go 613, 632, 631, or I just said that, but you get the point. So I hope that helps, David. The rest of you, if you have any questions on this, let me know. And then also let me know, David, if you have any questions on this as well, okay? All right, that's it, everyone.